welcome to Xfiles. Today I'm going to showcase how to set up Xfiles with Dropbox. As a step 1, you need to log into Dropbox account that you're going to attach with Xfiles. So here I'm logged into the Dropbox account. You'll have an option down below called More. You need to click on that and you'll have an option to select Developers. So once you are in this Developers section, you need to go to App Console, and here you need to create a new app. When you're creating a new app, you'll have an option to choose Dropbox API app. That's what you need to select. Here you need to select files and data stores. You say, can your app be limited to its own private folder? I'm saying no. I'm going to say all file types. I'm going to give a file name to it called Xfiles app2 or something, and you can provide your own name how you want to create an app for. That doesn't have any much relevance. I'm going to have a create app. So now this is more important. Here in the settings there's something called app key. This key is required when you're setting it up in the Xfiles application. So please make a note of this app key. And we're going to have a authentication. So for that you need to make sure that you create this this URL, the same URL. I'm going to paste it in the YouTube description. You can see it there as well. Here if you see, this is the instance of where your currently Xfile is installed. So this might be NA1 if you are North American customer. Since we are based in Asia Pacific, so it's a AP1. So this might change depending on your location. So this is something which you need to update, and this you can find it in your Salesforce organization instance level. And then at the end, the only changes that you need to make is after Dropbox there is the key. This key has to be same as the app key out here. We're going to paste this key here. See, I'm going to have this key after the Dropbox and save it and add to it. So you'll see there is a redirect URL which has been added. So this is what you need to do from the Dropbox point of view. Now I'm going to come back. Come back to my Xfile setup, and the setup is something called a new storage provider. If you click on the provider, choose the Dropbox, and you say my Dropbox or any other name that you want to give. I say my Dropbox 2 or something. I'm going to set it. So here I have an option to say activate. So I'm going to click on this key, and here you're going to get an option whether you want to allow it. I'm going to say yes, allow it. Allow, you say it's been validated successfully. Click next to continue. Here an option you can say you can create a organization level folder name, where I'm going to say my org or something, and I'm going to submit. So all the files will be added up in this particular org. Once it is done, you say done, and that's it. Your configuration is done. I set up 2 Dropbox accounts, but you can have 1 Dropbox account, and that will be used for a setup. So this is how you have to set up the Dropbox account. Thanks again. Thank you very much.